Hello students, welcome to eLessons. I am Vinita, your maths teacher. The second question is about a street plan. I have not written the entire question on the board. I will explain you the question. At last we have to answer these two questions. Question is like this. There are two main roads in the city which cross each other. Okay. One main road is in the north-south direction and the other main road is in the east-west direction. Okay. So there are two main roads in the city. The rest of the roads are parallel to these main roads. Okay. The rest of the roads are parallel to these main roads and they run in north-south direction and east-west direction. Each road is 200 meter apart. Okay, each road is 200 meter apart. You are asked to draw the plan of the city.